What's up, Cloud Life? It's Cashflow Nexus, the channel Faith Trading and Wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the markets. But today we're going to do something a little bit differently. I'm going to show you how I took $50 to $15,000. Let's get it. Alright, what's up, you guys? It's Cashflow Nexus back again. So as you already heard, I want to go over today how I took $50 to $15,000. And there's something that's this is a video that I've been wanting to do and put out for a while, and I just finally got around to it and able to do it. So you guys, a lot of people always ask, how much do you need to start to day trade? How much you need to put in to start? I'm here to prove that you really don't need to put in a lot of money to make a lot of money. And it comes with patience. And I'm going to be real with you guys. A lot of people try to, promote crypto trading, forex trading, stock trading as in some quick, rich, get rich quick, scheme. But there's a lot that goes into day trading. There's a lot that goes into investing, but I want to show you guys the legit process of how I took it and how I went about doing it. But before we get into that, I always want to acknowledge Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior before we get started with anything. I am going to talk about patience, because patience is one of the fruits of the Spirit, and also self-control, which they also say temperance. So these are the two things that help me get into taking $50 to $15,000, because I had patience and I had self-control. I didn't go off of emotion. I didn't go off of how I felt. I went off what I saw in the market and capitalized and waited patiently for the market to move how I wanted it to move to make the gains that I made. So that being said, my broker is currently now Clover Forex. I do still use Crypto Rocket, but they don't take all American traders. So if you want to use them at all, links going to be in the description, but you'll need a VPN if you're going to want to use Crypto Rocket. And if you don't want to do that, Clover Forex is the next best thing. They allow forex trading, they allow crypto trading, they allow stock trading in gold and other stuff as well, energies as well. But that being said, you guys, day trading is not always easy. It's not as straightforward as people want it to be. But I want to show y'all where I got in at and how I started this. I'll show y'all the deposit. It was $50, and then from that $50, I took it up to 1,000, and from 1,000 to such and such and such. I'll just show y'all the process as I go on. But I want to show y'all the main entry that I got in for XRP. I didn't just trade XRP. I traded the Bitcoin as well. I traded the peso as well. But I mainly focused on XRP because XRP is my go-to. XRP is the main thing I trade. I've been trading XRP since it was at $3, and seeing where XRP is at now, we're slowly getting back there, but I think it's going to take some time before we get back to the $3 range. But anyway, I'll go over some technicals and also show you how and where I got in on the chart to even get there. All right, so this is the XRP chart. Let's zoom in. I do want to show you guys where exactly I got in at. So this green line, actually it was a little higher. I actually got in right in here, right in this area. So I got in this area, and you could even go to Twitter and check the receipts, because I know how some people always want to claim he's a fake trader. You know how people are in this trading space. Everybody claims to be something that they're not, but you could go check out the receipts on Twitter. I'll even show y'all screenshots, and I'll even show y'all withdrawals too if y'all wanted to see that. But people are so fake in this space. They always want to see proof, but they don't want to take your advice. But anyway, as I already will show y'all, this is where I got in on the trade. Those that are not familiar with Ichimoku, I trade Ichimoku. I don't just trade Ichimoku. Ichimoku is my go-to and because it's for trending markets, I catch the trends and I try to ride the trend as long as possible. So I got in here with the Z wave that you see right here. Let me go ahead and take this off. As you see here, this market made a Z wave. I won't get into details on how that is. If you want to know more details on that, you have to be a student, or be a student. There's no other way. But this is how I got into the trade. I realized that it was this area was holding as support. We had the cloud support, we have Kijun support, and we also had fractal level support as well here. So I noticed that the market came back down to this level, and we had price action here, and that's what I basically got in on, was price action. The market made a piercing line formation, and I noticed that the market was not trying to go below the Kijun here, and it stayed above the Kijun for the next the next 8 hours, as you see. And then on that next 4-hour candle here, you can see that the price starts shooting up higher. It broke that fractal level, which was here, broke that fractal high, and then after that, that was a good entry to take off and get in that market. So based off price action, that's what really solidified it, knowing that I had support in this area. It made me more comfortable. We had a TK crossover, which was bullish. Chiku span was above price, and I just rode the trend all the way up. All the way up. So that's how I pretty much took the $50 to $15,000. I did lose some trades, don't get it twisted. I did lose some trades, some in here. I'll show y'all that as well, the trades that I took. But overall, this is how I made, took that $50 to $15,000. And the style that I trade, I always start off with a small account. It's nothing like starting with a small account. It's more challenging, and it's more rewarding when you are able to flip a small account. If y'all want to, you could do the math and see the return on investment in that in day trading. But a lot of people say a lot of things, he say, she say, but I just wanted to put this out there that you could trade with a small capital. I even done it with, I think in the past I've done it with like $40. Y'all could check on Twitter as well. Like I said, I'm pretty transparent anyway. But I want to do more videos like this. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, let me know. I'll definitely do more videos like this for you guys, because I think y'all, need to understand that reading charts, it goes on with investing. And I think people have the wrong idea when it comes to investing in cryptos and day trading cryptos. So I just wanted to show you guys this, that it is very possible to make little, make a lot out of little. So that being said, it comes with patience, it comes with self-control, not being greedy in the market. Even though there's times where I did feel like I was being greedy, but I didn't let that greed overtake or over leverage my account, how I felt on the market. But that being said, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll probably do some more videos like this on how I flip small accounts, or how I flip accounts, or how much I made in the day. But I don't trade too often. I make wise decisions when I trade. I try to find very strong moves in the market, and when I see them, I capitalize on them. I don't like to scalp, I like to swing trade, but I'll scalp every now and again. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next. God bless you guys, and peace.